Hey, it's me again. As if what you're already receiving as the special bonuses and all the training inside of your SMS phone lead systems members area, guys, I'm going to over deliver and I'm going to throw in some bonus training and show you guys how you can actually have 1,000 or more postcards of your life or whatever you desire printed up for right around $100 per 1,000 postcards. As you guys can see, I'm actually using this particular postcard to market and promote the SMS phone lead system. And what I'm doing on this particular postcard, guys, is I'm actually giving my potential prospects, people who are going to be falling over to pick up the system, by the way, an actual demo of the actual system by having them actually dial my SMS phone leads number where they actually see it in real time and exactly how it works. And then after that, guys, what I'm doing is I'm actually directing them to run on over to instantleadandcashsystem.com, where they'll be actually redirected to the actual presentation and the sales video that does all of our selling explaining for us. Okay, so that's something to be super pumped up and excited about. I can't wait to hear from you guys. Let's get hot, let's get pumping. As always, this is your boy Marlon O Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys, and I'll see you on the inside.